Very good afternoon, all of you, all the students. Welcome to the online math class. First of all, for taking your attendance, type P here. First of all, type P. First of all, I am telling all of you, just type P for taking your attendance. First, previous day we were discussing about some MCQs. Today we will continue our discussion. The first one will be from quadratic equation. I am giving you the questions. You will type the answer in the chat box. If P and Q are at the roots of the equation x square minus px plus q equals to 0, then the value of p and q are, then the value of p and q are respectively option A, p equals to 1, q equals to 0, p1, q0. Option B, p0, q1. Option C, p minus 2, q0. Option D, p0, q minus 2. Okay. Do it in your copy and tell me the answer. Ishanur has given the answer. He is saying Q0 P1, that is option B. He is saying option B. Do it in your copy and respond me with your answer through the chat box. I am waiting for your answer. All of you do it. First, respond me. I am waiting for the response. Respond me. I am waiting for the response. P and Q are the roots of the equation x square minus px plus q equals to 0. Then the value of P and Q. P1 Q0, P0 Q1, Ishanur is saying Q0 P1. It is option A. Ishanur is saying option A. And Anindo option B. Subhajyoti option B. B means P0 Q1. Which one will be the answer? Just put it. P and Q are the roots of the equation. So just put it P instead of x. So P square minus P into P plus Q equals to 0. That means P square minus P square plus Q equals to 0. P square minus P square will cancel out. Implies Q equals to 0. Here Q equals to 0. That means I am erasing the question now. So from here we get q equals to 0. Now again the equation is x square minus px plus q. Again q also the root. So q square minus p into q plus q equals to 0. That means whenever you take common q, 1 minus p and q is 0 here, so 1 minus p, so p equals to 1, p equals to 1, so which one will be the correct answer? Which will be the correct answer? Option A or B? Just check it. Option A or B? Option A. Yes, Isanur. Anindo. Yes, Anindo. Option A. Yes. Very good. So option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. That is P1 and Q0. Move on to the next one. Next question. Yes. Next question. The equation k square x square plus kx plus 1 equals to 0 has option A, one real root. Option B, two real root. Option C, no real root. Option D, none of this. Tell me the equation k square x square plus kx plus 1 equals to 0 has how many roots? A, B, C or D? Just find the discriminant first of all. K square minus, discriminant means b square minus 4ac. K square minus 4 into k square into 1. That is discriminant is minus 3k square. There is a minus in the discriminant. So, there is a minus in the discriminant. B square minus 4ac. K square minus 4 into a means here k square. I am telling you here a equals to k square, b equals to k and c equals to 1. So b square minus 4ac, that will give you minus 3k square, which is less than 0. So which is the correct answer? Which is the correct answer? No real root. Yes, Anindo. From here we can conclude that no real root because the discriminant is less than 0. Yes, Anindo, you are correct. Shubhajyoti correct. Srijan Srivastava correct. Respond all of you. Where are the rest of the students? 14, 15 students are doing the class. Option C is the correct answer. Option C. Yes. Okay, option C. Now move on to arithmetic progression. Which term of the AP which term of the AP 2017 14 and so on is first negative term? Is the first negative term. Option A, eighth term. Option B, sixth term. Option C, seventh term. And option D, ninth term. Which one? You just do it and tell me. First negative term. Shubhajit is saying A. Ishanu is saying 8th term. 8th term is the first negative term. The AP will be 20, 17. Common difference is here. The value of common difference in this AP. The value of common difference in this AP. Tell me. Minus 3. So 20, 17, 14, then 11, then 8, then 5, then 2, then minus 1. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8. The 8th term is minus 1 and it is the first negative term. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Very good. Very good, all of you. Okay, move on to next one. The first and last term of an AP are A and L. And sum of AP is S. Then the common difference is L square minus S square by K minus L plus A. Here K equals to option A S, option B 2S, option C 3S, option D none of this. Tell me. And tell me. Do it carefully and then tell me. Take your time, Isanu, take your time. Do it carefully and then tell me the answer. All of you can see the board properly. Okay, thank you. Do it carefully. First term A, last term L. K equals to 2S. Isanu is saying K equals to 2S now. That means the option B you are saying, Isanu. Option B. Okay. Respond all the other students. Option B. I got the response of Subhojyoti and Ishanur. Rest of the students. Who is joining the class, please type P for taking your attendance. Which one? I am waiting. Can you do it, Isanu, elaborately? You may send the p-copy or copy. How you are telling option B? Okay. In the portrait mode. I am waiting first. Where are the rest of the students? Only 2 students are responding. Respond me first. Yes, I am checking. Wait. Wait, I am checking. S equals to n by 20 plus L, then equals to n equals to 2s by a plus L. Yes, L equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then d equals to L minus a by n minus 1. So L minus now we are putting the value of n here. Then it is 2s. S comma s square by 2s. Okay, got it. K equals to 2s. Yes, it is the correct answer. K equals to 2s. The option B. Option B is the correct answer. Option B. These are the MCQs, not the question of 3 marks or 4 marks. Okay, so just do the MCQs delicately. Okay, not that you have to do it elaborately. Just do it delicately, or you may do it from the options also. Just looking at the options, there are only 3 options. D is none of this. Okay, so you may also do it from the options. Okay, so move on to okay, yes, Isana, no problem. No problem. I'm just telling you generally, not for this problem. This is all right. Very good. Can I move on to the next one? Can I move on to the next one? Next question? Okay. Yes. So move on to the next question. This is from AP. What is the common difference of 4 terms of an AP? What is the common difference of 4 terms of AP such that the ratio of the product of the product of the first and fourth term and fourth term to the second and third term is 2:3, and the sum of all four term is 20, and sum of all four terms is 20. So here, using this condition, you are asked to find the common difference. Okay. So now the options are 3, 1, 4, 2. Option A 3, option B 1, option C 4, option D 2. Just tell me the common difference. You just do it and tell me the common difference. You just do it and tell me the common difference. You just do it and tell me the common difference. Do it and tell me the common difference. I think C 2. Try to do it. Try to do it and then tell me. That means you are saying option D. Option D you are saying, and Shubhajyoti is saying option C. I think C. Confirm me. Where are the rest of the students? Give your response. Keep responding. 14 students are doing the class. 3 and 4 are just responding here. Common difference will be 2. That means you are confirm. Isanur, you are confirm. Option D. Rest of the students, confirm me. Yes. Rest of the students, confirm me the option. Which one will be the correct answer? The product of first and fourth term to that means if it is A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D, then product of the ratio of the product of the first and fourth, that means A into A plus 3D, or you may take it A minus D, A minus 2D, A minus D. There is a fourth term is given. Fourth term is given, so you may take it in this way. Wait once, you may take it in this way: A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, and A plus 3D. You may take it in this way also. Okay. Here the sum is given to you. Sum of the all four terms is given to you. So whenever you are adding these terms, it will give you 4 equals to 20, A equals to 5. Isn't it? A equals to 5. Now A plus 3D into A minus 3D by A plus D into A minus D. That is 2 by 3. I am erasing the question. You just take it in this way. Okay. Just take it in this way: A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Yes, A equals to 5. From here we get A equals to 5 because the sum is 20, so equals to 5. Just I am erasing this one. Just take it in this way. So here A square minus 9D square by A square minus D square equals to 2 by 3. That means 3A square minus 27D square equals to 2A square minus 2D square. That means A square equals to 20, 5d square. Here a equals to what? Is the calculation is correct? Ratio of the product of the first and fourth term to the second and third is 2:3. Yes, Subhajyoti, 5D. 5D means 5D means from this calculation it is, we find that a square equals to 25d square. So a means here 5. So 25 equals to 25d square. D equals to 1, isn't it? D equals to 1 or 2? D equals to what? Here the common difference is taken as 2d. Here d equals to 1. We get d equals to 1. So common difference will be 2. Yes. From here d equals to 1. But here we have taken the common difference as 2d. Just check it. Check our consideration. Here the common difference taken as 2d. A minus 3d. Then plus 2d will give you a minus 2d. Then plus 2d will give you a plus 2d. Okay. Yes. So here the common difference is taken as 2d. So it will be 2 into 1, 2. So the correct option is option D. Is it alright? The correct option is option D. Okay, so for today time is over. Any queries up to this one? We have done all 5 or 6 maybe 5 MCQs. Any queries regarding these MCQs? Okay, so thank you all of you for doing the class. Next we will be back again here and we will solve again some MCQs. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.